In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make and decorate a paper airplane. So let's get on with the video! So the first thing you want to do is fold the two top corners together in the middle with no spaces. And then fold it down like a letter, but you don't want it to be pointed. You want to have two straight lines on both sides. Keep your folds clean, please. Then what you want to do is fold the two top sides together and make a shirt. Just like that. You need to make these even so you can fold the tab on top. Then you turn the plane over and fold it in half. Make sure you have clean folds. Then what you want to do is take the top line and fold it to the bottom, just like that, and do it on both sides. And now it's time to decorate! To decorate, I'm using my Crayola dual tip pens. You can do whatever you want, but I choose to do a face on this one. I'm doing pink for the lips, then I'm going to draw in a mouth. And some teeth. The uvula and the tongue. She looks pretty good. Now it's time to do an ear. Drag it all the way down. And now it's time to color it. I'm going to use rainbow colors that I have in this set to do this one. Starting with red, keep going down. A little green. And a few different types of blue. And now on to the pinks and purples, my favorites. Just have fun. Now it's time to go fly our plane. Let's go. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay creative. Bye.